Do you know what is estate planning and when to start thinking about it? Well, watch this video to gain insights about this important and a must-have planning process in your life. Estate planning is the preparation of tasks that serve to manage an individual's asset base in the event of their incapacitation or death. Key takeaways. Estate planning involves determining how an individual's asset will be preserved, managed, and distributed after death or in the event they become incapacitated. Planning tasks including making a will, setting up trust, and making charitable donations to limit estate taxes, naming an executor or beneficiaries, and setting up funeral arrangements. A will is a legal document that provides instructions on how an individual's property and custody of minor children, if any, should be handled after death. Various strategies can be used to limit taxes on an estate, from creating trust to making charitable donations. If you think an estate plan is just for rich and famous, think again. Anyone with assets, including a home, pension plan, or even a savings account, should think exactly how these possessions will be distributed one day. So loop in a financial advisor, accountant, and other professionals early on so that they can help you run the numbers and figure out the best way to safeguard your family against fighting or overspending and limit the amount of taxes your heirs have to pay along the way. Do you want to unblock your financial abundance? Heal your relationship with money? Create ease with money? Attune to the frequency of abundance of savings and create wealth in the most tax efficient way? Then click the link below for your complimentary Secure Gateway Game Plan Financial Worksheet. This free financial worksheet is one of a kind document created by me and available nowhere else. So why wait? Go ahead and click the link below to get your complimentary financial worksheet now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching Personal Finance Made Easy, so it's time to start your own financial game plan.